Hello everyone, welcome back to Nafas Academy. This is Nafas speaking. There is a problem. It looks binomial expansion problem, and we have to find out the value of k. There is a two factor 1 minus 3x 1 plus 2x. One by one we will expand them by using the binomial expansion. The binomial expansion, these rules is start from 1 means 1 plus x to the power n, and our question both factor is starting from 1, like 1 minus 3x and 1 plus 2x. If it is start from except 1, that is 2, 3 or like that, then we can't use these rules in normal way. There is a way. So for first one, n equals to minus 4, x equals to minus 3x. It is minus 3x, careful about that, not plus 3x, it is minus 3x. So what is the rules? 1 plus nx, n means minus 4, x means minus 3x plus n times n minus 1 over 2 factorial. It is 2 factorial and n minus 1. At first in your copy, write the rules, binomial expansion rules, then second line substitute the value of n and x always, and you have to memorize this binomial expansion. There is two kinds of binomial expansion, but I suggest you memorize only one, this one. Okay, so up to x square, our question is up to x square, so I'm expand up to x square. Up to x square is good enough for this question. Why? Because look the right side, 9x plus kx square. Kx square, our question is k and the coefficient is x square, so up to x square is good enough. One is finished, and then next one, 1 plus 2x to the power 3 by 2. What is the value of n? N is 3 by 2, and x is plus 2x, right? So 1 plus nx, 3 by 2, 2x over 2 factorial, n times n means 3 by 2, x means 3 by x means 2x, right? So 3n into n minus 1 times x square. What is the value of x? X value is 2x. Okay, I can write it, it's better. X is 3 by 2, x is 2x, right? Now both are above the expression. Use your calculator. It is 2 to cancel out, 3x plus 2 factorial means 2 times 1, that is 2, so it is 3 by 2x x square. So we have both the expression, and now substitute the expression in this equation. What is the value of 1 minus 3x to the minus 4? It is 1 plus 12x plus 90 x square, right? Bracket minus what is the value of 1 plus 2x to the power 3 by 2? It is 1 plus 3x plus 3 by 2 x square equal 9x plus kx square. Remove the bracket for the minus. One plus 12x plus 90x square minus 1 minus 3x minus 3 by 2x square equal 9x plus k. Our target is x square. 90 plus 90x minus 3 by 2 x square. right? It is 177 over 2 x square. It is not necessary to calculate all of this, just calculate the x square terms. I'm just showing you. So 177 over 2 x square. So taking coefficient of x square in the expression, it is left side is 177 over 2, right side is the coefficient of x square is k. So that is the value of k. See you in the next class. Thank you very much.